I'm showing you 15 different ways to make money with Canva that actually work. Along the way, I'll teach you something new about Canva's features. Let's jump straight into it. 1. Generate quiz videos. Search for quiz videos on Canva, and you'll find many templates to quickly create your own quiz videos. These videos can generate affiliate commissions. For example, a new TikTok account, 1,000 followers, posts simple English learning quiz videos and includes affiliate links to courses and ebooks in their bio. It's an effective strategy. Just take a pre-built template, swap out the graphics and questions, which you can generate using ChatGPT, and you're set. 2. Create and sell brand identity kits. This is a massively overlooked niche for freelance graphic designers. Instead of selling low-price standalone logos on Fiverr, offer brand identity kits aimed at high-income customers. These kits usually sell for at least $100 and include a brand font, color palette, and logo. Canva is perfect for this, with many templates to customize for clients. You can also use Canva's AI-generated color palettes. Upload a picture matching the desired aesthetic, and Canva will generate a color palette for you. 3. Create list pins for Pinterest. List pins are an effective way to earn money on Pinterest through affiliate commissions. For example, search "growing vegetables at home" on Pinterest, and you'll find list pins promoting vertical vegetables. These visually engaging pins spark curiosity. Clicking on the link often takes you to a blog page with affiliate links. This method can be highly profitable, as demonstrated by an affiliate marketer who scaled her income to over $111,000 a month using Canva for her list pins. She created one template and swaps in new text, photos, and graphics from Canva's library. 4. Start a clothing store. Canva simplifies the process of creating clothing designs with its millions of pre-installed graphics and visual elements. Search for t-shirt templates on Canva to find many templates for quickly creating designs. Then, use a print-on-demand service like Printify, which offers customizable blank clothing items. Upload your design, list it for sale at a markup in your online store, or sell it on marketplaces like eBay, Etsy, Redbubble, or Zazzle. This is a great way to earn passive income. Check out my latest Canva tutorial video for more details. 5. Generate quote videos. Quote videos are a very effective way to make money on TikTok. For example, a TikTok account created just 2 months ago has many popular videos, like one posted 2 weeks ago that has over 900,000 views. This video discusses a scene from the movie Spider-Man: Into the Spider-Verse. The account found popular posts on Tumblr discussing trending movies, quoted these posts, and turned them into mobile videos with AI voiceovers. They made money through the TikTok Creativity Ad Program, which pays 50 cents to $1 per 1,000 views. This quote video likely made about $450 to $900. Creating quote videos in Canva is easy with pre-built video templates. Choose one that matches your aesthetic, swap out the text and stock video, and use ChatGPT to generate fresh, interesting stories or theories to post. 6. Create and sell printable wall art. On Etsy, digital posters that customers can print at home are very popular. For example, a set of funny downloadable posters has made over $50,000. Canva has many pre-made templates for designing your own posters. Plus, Canva has a handy feature for exporting printable designs in high quality. Just click Share, then Download, and select PDF for printing to ensure they print nicely and vibrantly. 7. Create and sell pitch deck presentations. Startups often need services that help them win over investors, such as pitch deck presentations. A standard package with about 10 to 15 slides sells for over $100 on freelance websites like Fiverr. Canva can speed up creating these presentations with many pre-made templates. Canva also has a built-in graph maker and chart generator, which is great for showcasing data in visually interesting ways. 8. Create and sell custom candles. One of the best-selling print-on-demand products on Printify is their selection of candles. Customizing a candle is simple. Just upload a label design. Canva offers many templates for creating candle labels, and with Canva's wide selection of pre-installed fonts, designing typography-based products is easy. These candles are popular on Etsy, especially as gifts with funny labels. 9. Start a clothing store. Canva simplifies the process of creating clothing designs with its millions of pre-installed graphics and visual elements. Search for t-shirt templates on Canva to find many templates for quickly creating designs. Then, use a print-on-demand service like Printify, which offers customizable blank clothing items. Upload your design, list it for sale at a markup in your online store, or sell it on marketplaces like eBay, Etsy, Redbubble, or Zazzle. This is a great way to earn passive income. Check out my latest Canva tutorial video for more details. 10. Generate this or that videos. A type of mobile video that is super popular and gets tons of views on both YouTube and TikTok is this or that videos, with one example being choose your gift videos. It's essentially a visual game where people mentally pick a gift while watching and then see what supposed gift they win. These simple videos can get hundreds of thousands to millions of views. You don't have to be an established creator to get views on these videos. For example, a TikTok account that posted just a few videos saw their choose your gift videos become instant hits. There is a huge demand for these videos, and not enough of them are being made, allowing new creators to pop off all the time. With the TikTok creativity ad program paying out high ad rates, like 50 cents to $1 per 1,000 views, a simple video with over 145,000 views could easily pull in over $100. Thanks to Canva's built-in photos and graphics, including various gift boxes and other elements, you can quickly make these videos in Canva's video editor. 11. Create and sell mugs. If you search for mug templates in Canva, you'll find many designs to help you quickly make your own mug to sell. There are many places to sell your mugs, like online marketplaces such as eBay and Etsy. For example, a print-on-demand mug on eBay has had over 250 sales since being relisted. Selling mugs on eBay and Etsy is easy thanks to print-on-demand apps like Printify, which integrate with both platforms. Mugs are also popular on Pinterest, where you can use Canva to make Pinterest pins to promote your mugs and make more money. 12. Create and sell self-care printables. Creating self-care printables, which are popular on Etsy, is a great way to make money and help others. These digital products help people support and manage their mental health. For example, a planner that helps people manage ADHD has been purchased by over 8,000 people. Canva has many templates for different types of worksheets that you can use as a base to create your own. Instead of sticking to planners and journals, you can get creative with products like anxiety management flashcards, which have made over $30,000. 13. Create and sell custom products. Custom products are increasingly popular every year. For example, a custom print-on-demand t-shirt converts well with Facebook ads, making it profitable to sell on your Shopify store. Alternatively, you can sell custom products on Etsy, where they are very popular. A custom mug on Etsy had 7 sales in the past 24 hours. You can create your own custom design for products like mugs in Canva, save it as a template, and easily customize it for each order. This feature makes generating custom designs very fast. 14. Create and sell classroom lessons. Creating and selling classroom lessons is a niche opportunity, but can be very profitable for the right person. Canva has many pre-made templates for school lesson slides that you can customize. Teachers Pay Teachers is a popular marketplace for teachers to sell their classroom resources. If you're a teacher or expert in a subject, you can use Canva to create engaging lessons and sell them for a profit. Last, create how-to pins. Creating how-to pins is another popular way to use Pinterest. For example, many how-to pins are designed to grab the attention of people looking for specific guides, such as creating a budget. Clicking on these pins often leads to blog posts with affiliate links, earning creators commissions from signups and purchases. Canva has many templates for how-to pins. Choose a template that matches your niche, customize the text and graphics, and use them to drive traffic and earn affiliate commissions. Hope you found clarity and understanding in every part of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.